English Vision World Classic, a vision point of learning advanced academic and global English. Grade 7 to HSC. Later, personal. Write a letter to your friend showing him sympathy for his being hospitalized. Date 5/11/2025. Bilashpur, Gazipur. Dear Sharif, it's a long time since we met last. I'm very sorry that I couldn't keep any contact with you due to the involvement with some family affairs at my village residence. Besides, my house is in the remote area from the capital city, Dhaka. I came to know that you have been hospitalized for a long period at DMHCH due to a road accident. It's a very shocking and harrowing news that came to me as a bolt from the blue. I am very much shocked at the mishap happened to you. Don't worry, it's nothing. It sometimes happens to human beings. Keep patient, have a good treatment and come to normal life. I pray to Almighty Allah for your early recovery and decent, healthier life. No tension. I'm coming to Dhaka and meeting you presently. Number today. Best regard to your parents and sweet love to little Nitu. Love from Faizuজ্জামান. From Faizuজ্জামান, Bilashpur, Gazipur, to Sharif, Shantinagar, Dhaka. Thank you very much for watching my channel English Vision World Classic.